So we're back on this 2018 Honda that had a leak from the other day that turned from just a simple recovery into a leak testing procedure. That means it jumped it up from your book time 0.4 billable labor hours from a recovery to a 1.0 billable hours for a leak check procedure. Went into the nitrogen leak set, and what I found with the high pressure nitrogen was this little score right here. Let's see if it'll come on, do your thing, Apple. Come on. Apple does not want to focus. Well, we're gonna have to do that from a distance, but that little cut right there was facing backwards where this was pushed against the pulley. And so they got that part yesterday, put it on. I'm back today. It's charged up. Right now I'm just data logging the high and low pressures. Snapshot of that goes into the invoice, and then going back to the temperatures, data log your cycle time and your temperatures, which I've already done on my phone and it's already in the invoice, but I'll show you here. Right now it's under full load with all the doors open. It's in recycle fresh mode, so it's pulling in the air from the hot engine, because this is a hot engine, and you have the heat of the condenser getting hot, warming the outside air. That's 63 degrees. The engine's hot, the coolant's hot, so that means that air has to go through the radiator, coming out of here about 100, I'd say this is about 118, 120 degrees right now. And then it's mixed, and then it's pulled in, puts a load on the evaporator, all the doors, it's into fresh air mode. And so right now we are at 39.9 degrees. Come on, you can focus. There we go. Now that'll focus. Now I gotta find it. There it goes, 39.9 degrees. And you can see when the compressor cycled off, the temperature went up, and now the temperature is falling again. And when I take this load off the car by closing the doors, on this particular vehicle, it only drops down 1 degree. It goes down to 38 degrees. So let me put it back on recycle, and I'll close the doors. So now I'm taking the load off of the evaporator. This is basically to see what the set point with no load on it, like after you cool down the cabin, you're running. I just want to see what the absolute minimum lowest temperature could go to. And then I know it goes down to 38 degrees. So we'll come back here until this thing is happy and it'll focus for us. Okay, we got 39 degrees there. If I could shift, focus. There we go. So if we come over here, I can find my finger. 39. Yeah, the Android, after running over my Apple and destroying my Apple Pad, I'm using an old Android Samsung that is outdated as an emergency backup, and it really doesn't like to work, so I have to get another Apple Pad. All right, guys, I'm out of here. This is a success story, and it'll live many more years. See ya.